Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to show followers on your Facebook profile. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel because we post content like this. And to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to show your followers on your Facebook profile, just like this, as you guys can see on Richie Kevin, it shows followed by 2 people, and if somebody clicks on it, then it's gonna show me the people who are following me. And to show that, you just need to set your Facebook profiles setting in such a way that people can follow you. And once the follow button appears, if somebody follows you, then it's gonna show you in your profile. So you can just go on setting and privacy for that. Click on setting, and on setting, scroll down until you see privacy setting. Now click on privacy setting. And once you're in privacy settings, scroll down until you see who can send you friend request. And on who can send you friend request, if it is set on everyone, then set it on friends of friends, okay? And after setting it on friends, go back and click on public post. And on public post, make everything public. As you guys can just see these settings, you can just copy these settings. And once everything is public, you can just go back and your follow button will appear on your Facebook profile. And once the follow button appears on your Facebook profile, if somebody follows you, then it's going to show it over here followed by 2 people. And then once people click on it, then it'll show you the followers. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.